Save big, build smart. Let's talk top 5 benefits of building your own PC from scratch. Number 1. Real performance per dollar. When I pick every part, my money goes straight into speed. CPU, GPU, fast storage without paying for flashy extras I don't need. I get more frames, faster renders, less waste. Number 2. Total customization. I choose the look, the airflow, the noise level, exact features I care about. Wi-Fi wired RGB clean stealth tiny ITX full tower beast. It's my build, my vibe. Number 3. Easy upgrades, long life. A well-chosen motherboard, power supply. Case means I can swap in a new graphics card, double my RAM later. No full replacement needed. Future-proofing done right saves money and time. Number 4. You actually learn your machine. Installing the CPU, clicking in RAM, routing cables. Once I've touched every part, troubleshooting makes sense. If something hiccups, I know where to look and how to fix it. Number 5. Clean software, zero bloat. I install a fresh OS, the drivers I want, and nothing else. Boots faster, runs lighter, stays snappy. And there's a bonus, pride. Hearing that first startup chime hits different when I built it with my own hands. Here's the quick strategy. Set a budget, lock your priorities. Gaming creation balanced hybrid. Put most of the budget into the CPU, GPU that match your goals. Don't cheap out on the power supply or storage. Stable power and a good NVMe drive change everything. Match parts, socket, chipset, RAM speeds, keep thermals in mind, quality cooler, smart airflow make quiet, fast, and reliable possible. When it all comes together, you get a faster machine for less money, built exactly how you want, ready to grow with you.